So 40 FPS on a game made by Ubisoft on a PC like this, well, I don't think that's bad. Okay, so I'm going to start off the video by saying that please don't have high expectations from this video, because the game is made by Ubisoft and if you know them, their optimization is really bad. So okay, I just went ahead and said that. So in this video I'll show you guys how you can play HYPERSCAPE on a low-end PC. I tried this on my GT 730 and I was getting around 40 FPS with it, and I had to do some settings and I'll show you what I did. By the way, if you're using a laptop with Nvidia GPU, then you might also be able to use this video, or GPUs like 730 and stuff like that, 710. And if you're using Intel HD graphics, I don't know how far you can go, but I'll also show you guys some stuff that you can change from in-game. And as I said, don't have high expectations. So if this video does help you, then please consider subscribing to the channel, because a sub to the channel would be amazing. So without wasting any more time, let's just get right into it. So first of all, let's talk about the most important stuff, is how much RAM do you need. Well, you can actually run this game on a 4GB RAM PC. By the way, if you do want to run this game on a 4GB RAM PC, my recommendation would be to free up some RAM, and I have made a video about that. The video link will be in the description, so just go ahead and watch that first. And if you're using a laptop, then my recommendation would be to turn on high performance mode. Just go into the power options and turn on high performance mode from there. Okay, so as we have all that out of the way, let's go inside our game and just change up some settings. So first of all, go to settings and go to the video option, obviously. So from here, set the display mode to borderless, because when I used full screen, the aspect ratio was really messed up. So just use borderless. Then set the resolution to 1280 into 720, because that would be great. Refresh rate to auto, of course. Then your monitor, and as you guys can see, I'm using a GT 730. Then set the VSync to off, aspect ratio to auto, then the field of view to 65. Well, here's the thing, you can use higher field of view, but if you use higher field of view, your GPU has to render more stuff and you will get FPS drop. So I think lower field of view would be like good for your GPU and FPS. And of course the brightness depends on you and your monitor. Now let's go to the graphical quality. Okay, we are obviously going to use custom graphical quality. So first, set the animation quality to ultra low, anti-aliasing to none, then the atmospheric quality to very low as well. Then the resolution scaling to 50%, because we are already using 720p, so we don't need to go lower than 50%. By the way, if you still lag, then also try fixed 25% as well. Then set the geometry quality to ultra low, then the target FPS for dynamic resolution to 30 FPS. Okay, you can increase that if you want more FPS, that will lower the quality by a lot, but however we are already using 720p, like we will get like really bad quality, so I don't recommend going over 30, and 30 is actually playable. So after that, set the lighting quality to ultra low, and of course shadow quality to ultra low as well, and set all the stuff to ultra low, and set the sharpness to 25% or 50%. Well, we do need some sharpness, because I already said we're playing on a lower resolution, and also at only 50% of that. So after that, let's change up some stuff from Nvidia control panel, but however if you're using Intel HD, this is all that you can do. The best thing about this game is that all the settings that you can change are from in-game, and I also went to the game files and tried changing stuff from game files and stuff, and everything that I changed there are actually changeable from the settings, so you don't have to go through any extra hassle for that. Now let's go to Nvidia control panel. I think this will be useful for you, because I got about 7 FPS boost after doing all this stuff. So of course, let's go to Nvidia control panel. So open Nvidia control panel, then go to manage 3D settings, then go to program settings, then select HYPERSCAPE from here. Now if you don't see HYPERSCAPE, just press add and then add HYPERSCAPE. Now first, set the power management mode to prefer maximum performance, of course. Then set the texture filtering astronomic sample optimization to on. Then set the texture filtering quality to high performance. Then set the texture filtering trilinear optimization to on as well. Then set the threaded optimization to on as well. And that is all that you have to change. I got around 7 to 8 FPS boost after doing this, and when you're playing with a PC like this, that 7 to 8 actually does matter a lot. So well, these are all the stuff that you could do to run this game on your PC. But however, as I said, the optimization of this game is not that great, so if you're going to play this, then please don't have high hopes. So I think this was it for today, and I'll see you guys in the next video.